Assalamualaikum sir, Askar sir, how are you? Are you fine? How is your health going on?
Okay, experimental and theoretical probabilities. So, experimental probabilities. First, I will explain you theoretical probability because that you studied already. Okay, theoretical probability means, for example, if it is a dice, if you throw a dice, for getting the number 1, what is the chance? 1 by 6, yeah? So the probability is 1 by 6. So this is the theoretical probability. This is the theoretical probability. Okay. Experimental probability means if you do some experiments, for example, here you can see there are 20 throws of a dice. Then these are the numbers he gets it. Okay. Then 1, how many times he gets it? 6 times. 2, how many times? 3 times. 3, 6 times. 4, 0 times. 5, 4 times. 6, 1. So the relative frequency means here total how many throws? 20 throws, yeah? So we will do 6 out of 20. 6 out of 20. And compare, it is actually by comparing. So it is, we are finding first relative frequency. So according to that relative frequency, we are finding experimental probability.
Mosaic.
Okay, so let us do exercise 15.4. Okay. So look at that first question. Alicia has a biased coin. Biased coin means it has been altered to land on one side more often. Okay. Then she wants to find the experimental probability of getting a head. She spins the coin 10 times. She gets 6 heads and 4 tails. Okay, she gets 6 heads and 4 tails. So what is the experimental probability of getting a head based on these 10 throws? Give your answer as a decimal. Okay, who can answer it? Number A.
6 by 10 equal
Yeah.
3 by 4.
6 by 10. You write your answer as decimal. Okay, so 6 by 10 equal 0.6. Okay, so number A, the answer will be 0.6. Because 6 out of 10. Okay, now number B. Explain why this is not a reliable estimate of the probability. Why? Because she just throw how many? Only 10, yeah? So,
She must throw more.
yeah, so the answer is not enough throws. These are not enough throws. Okay. Not enough throws. Okay, then she spins the coin another 10 times. This time she gets 3 heads and 7 tails. So find the experimental probability of getting a head based on this 20 throws. So now total how many heads?
0.9 maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
No. How many total heads now? 9, yeah?
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
out of 20, not out of 10. Because here total
30.
0.15.
No, 9 out of 20.
No. Yeah. 1 minute.
0.45.
Yeah,
Yeah,
0.45. Okay, so 0.45, number C. Okay.
Sir, Yeah.
Sir, how, sir?
Means first 6 heads, yeah. Now 3
Yeah.
more heads. So total how many heads?
حطهم على بعض.
10.
9 heads. No, now total how many heads? 9 heads.
9. Yeah.
And the total throws now 20.
Yeah.
Yeah, so 9 out of 20.
Yeah.
Okay, now number D. She spins the coin another 30 times and gets 9 heads and 21 tail. So now total how many heads? 9 plus 9, 18. So
How?
18 out of 50.
What?
18 out of 50. Okay, now number E.
Sir, question.
Huh?
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah.
I have a question, sir.
Yes, ask.
Sir, she said another 50 straw give 19 head and 31 tail.
That is for
So-
question number E.
How?
So now this 18 plus 19. Now you have to do this 18 plus 19 for doing question number E. 18 plus 19 equal to 37 and total throws now 100. So 37 out of 100. Number E, 37 out of 100. Okay, now question number F. Explain why the last estimate of the probability, I mean the question number E. So explain why the last estimate of the probability of getting head is the most reliable one. Because it is based on the largest number of throws. Because now it is considering 100 throws. So it is based on the
Sir,
largest
okay.
number of throws.
Done.
Okay, now question number 2. What is question number 2? Zaliga throws 4 dice at the same time. What is the smallest possible total? And what is the largest possible total? Okay, Zaliga throws 4 dice at the same time. So what will be the smallest possible total?
4.
4, correct, because 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal 4. And what is the largest possible total?
24.
24, because 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, 24. Because in a dice, there are 6 faces. So the smallest possible total is, and not 2. How many dice? 4 dice.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the smallest is 4 and largest is 24. Smallest is 4 and the largest is 24.
24.
Okay, now question number C. Okay, Zeliga wants to find the experimental probability of scoring a total of 15 or more when she throws 4 dice. She decides to do a simulation on a spreadsheet. So her results are in a table above, like this, okay? Now, find separate estimates of the probability of total of 15 or more based on 25, based on 50, based on 100, 150 and 200. So you have to do like this: 7 out of 25, 16 out of 50, 42 out of 100, 8 out of 150 and 88 out of 200. All write it in decimal. Okay. So how much each will come? First 0.28, then 0.32, then 0.42,
Silly pate guy.
Okay, finished?
Yes.
Okay. Now, Mia repeats Zelika's experiment and gets these results. That is another result. So, find Mia's successive estimate of the probability. It means 11 out of 25, 24 out of 50, 45 out of 100, 76 out of 150, and 94 out of 200. So, find these decimals as decimals. Find the probabilities as decimal. So first 11 out of 25, 0.44, 24 out of 50, 0.48. So it will come like this.
Silly pate guy.
Okay, done?
Yes.
Okay, then now compare. Compare Zelika's results and Mia's results.
Four.
Look at here. First, they are entirely different. Look, 0.28, here 0.44, then 0.32, 0.48, 0.4245. Now it is going to near, yeah? Means 4447, yeah, near. But first it was entirely different. So we will write it like this. They are quite different at first, but they get closer together with more throws.
But they get closer.
Different answers.
Okay, now question F.
Put
Zelika's and Mia's result together to get experimental probability based on 400 result. It means 94 plus 88. How much? 94 plus 88, how much?
182.
Yeah, 182 out of 400. Make it decimal. 182 out of 400. Okay, finished?
Yes.
Yeah, finish.
Yes.
Okay, now Okay, one more question, last question. Okay, question number
Okay.
3. Okay, Maha spins a coin 10 times. She gets 8 heads and 2 tails. So find the experimental probability of throwing a head and throwing a tail. So heads, how much?
8 by 10.
Yeah, 8 by 10, it means 0.8. Okay, then tail 2 by 10. It
2
means,
by 10.
it means,
0.2.
yeah, correct. Okay, now, is there evidence that Maha is not throwing the coin fairly? Who is that? Okay, now you can't draw. Who is that drawing? Who did it?
Stop it.
Okay, now you can't. Now you can't.
Stop.
From tomorrow, I will first disable, then you can't do. Okay. So look at. So the answer is there evidence that Maha is not throwing the coin fairly? No. Why? Because here only 10 throwing only. So there is not enough throws. Okay, now Hassan spins
Sir,
a
sir, one
coin.
minute, sir.
Okay.
I can't understand.
No, not enough throws. Not enough throws.
Okay.
Okay, sir, finish.
Hassan
Yeah,
spins
see
a
now.
coin 100 times. He gets 80 heads and 20 tails. So find the experimental probability of throwing a head and tail.
80 by 10.
0.8,
80 by 100.
Yeah, 80 by 100. It means 0.8.
0.8.
And 20 by 100. 0.2.
2.
Means same like A. So number C also same like A. 0.8 and 0.2. Okay, now the last question.
Yes, sir.
Is
Okay,
there
D.
evidence that Hassan is not throwing the coin fairly?
Yes.
Yeah, yes. Because with 100 throws, the probability
Man.
should be closer to 0.5. So
Yeah.
he is not throwing coin fairly. Yeah. So we will write it, and it is there are 100 throws also. So we will write it like this. Yes, because with 100 throws, the probabilities should be closer to 0.5. Closer to 0.5, which means 0.4 or 0.6. So not 0.8 or 0.2. So it is entirely different. If it is a biased coin, it will not happen like this. That is why, yes, with 100 throws, the probabilities should be closer to 0.5.
So finish.
Yeah, finished. Okay, so
Finish,
the
sir.
homework.
What's the homework?
Okay, the homeworks in exercise 15.4. Okay, just question number 1 and 2 only. Okay.
Okay.
Because this lesson is little harsh, that is why. Just do 1 and 2 only. Okay, for tomorrow's lesson, you have to take tomorrow. I think no maths after tomorrow. So you have to keep your graph book also. Maybe we need it. Okay, so you just keep aside. Okay.
Say what the homework say?
Question 1 and 2. Exercise 15.
1 and 2.
181.
Okay.
Yeah, 15.4, 1 and 2 only. Okay.
Sir, leave.
Say
Yeah,
leave. Finish.
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
we'll leave.
Okay.
Okay.